Greetings, programs. I got a couple boxes delivered today from Hasbro Pulse. Let's see what I got in the box. Wrecker.
Cavalry has arrived!
Kind of a hefty figure. He's kind of a little bit heavy. He's got kind of a smirk on his face. I like that. You can see my reflection. That's one thing about these packages. Very reflective. Some of these other 6-inch I've gotten over the last few months. I don't think I did a review on the rest of the Bad Batch, so I pulled them. So you got Hunter. Had him already. Got the Sniper Crosshair. Got a lot of detail. And this is from an animated series, but it sure looks real. So these go together. Not like that. Oh, I think they're numbered, aren't they? Where are they numbered? Saw a number somewhere on it. 2. 2. So do they go in order? Yeah. I couldn't remember. I just pulled them off the shelf. 5. So anyway, yeah, this one's probably like down here somewhere. But I also grabbed my 2 Mandalorians. You got your Clone Wars. It's basically Clone Wars, Bo-Katan. Picked this up at Target. It's been a few weeks now. I don't know, I didn't do a review when I got it. Seems like a lot of people have done a review, but I'll throw it out there just so you know. If you need to get a Wrecker, Bo-Katan's out there. Picked this guy up. He came back in stock at Target one day, so you can see me. Hey, how's it going? So I picked him up. I never saw this in the store. Yeah, it wasn't up there very long. It was just like, this is available, and so picked it up. And then Chopper. Picked this one up quite a while ago. I think I got this one from Hasbro Pulse. I just felt like I really needed to get this droid for the 6-inch. So, but yeah, that's how it sits on my shelf. I like how they changed the packaging from just the black and red Black Series to, you know, they have the pictures on the side. It's a pretty good idea. All right, let's open this guy up and see what he's all about. Gun fell out here. Crank it down just a little. He's a big guy, that's for sure. Got his helmet here. Big knife. And a backpack. Got all his gear. Let's put this box back together real quick. All right, let's take a good, nice, closer look at this guy. So we got his. He can kind of look. He gets blocked here a little bit, but he can look up, look down. Trying to lock it. There we go. So that's about as far up as you can get on his shoulders. His armor's, oh no, oh, it's just locked a little bit. Okay, so this is a floater. It was just a little bit stuck. So you can get about that far. This one's a little stuck. Get up about there. Ooh. You got a joint there. One's a little stuck. Not bad. Okay. I like how these kind of free float. Hopefully over time they don't wear out and just fall off. I really like the face sculpt. It captures the character pretty well. You got your ankle. Got your rocker. You got your knee, but you don't see the pins. They're hidden. And it's not one of those goofy double knee. It's just one. I like that. That's pretty good. Oh, yeah. Classic classic clone knee here. Yeah, I like this. Alright, we got a thigh bend. Looks like it's on a ball. I really like the articulation. I hope they continue this. I like this. You're not supposed to be able to kick your own butt. Sorry, Robo. Foosh. You have armor on. You're not supposed to be able to be really flexible if you have armor. So this is perfect. Let's put on his gear. I like how this is like it's almost like a separate piece. Oh, we didn't do the waist. Waist bend. Helmet. There we go. Yeah, kind of. It's not a real tight fit, but it fits a little bit tight. You want to square his face up too, because otherwise the helmet gets. So I would say line up. Make sure you line up his chin and everything pretty well before you slap it down. Yeah, that's better. It was a little bit deformed because I didn't have it lined up 100%. So it's still real good mobility. You can see his head doesn't shift in there at all. It just forms to his head really well. Alright, now I gotta give him his weapons. He's got this big knife. Pistol. Oh, I like him. He's really good. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Wrecker from Bad Batch. Yadder.